from Wendy's. That was actually so dramatic. So I got 2 things to try with you guys. Before I get up into this video, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, happy Vlogmas. Thank you all who have subscribed to my channel, who have watched my videos, the peppermint frosty. See that? The time, peppermint frosty. It's thick. I'm trying to get through this little. It tastes good. So yes, guys, this it's so good. It tastes exactly like peppermint bark freaking candy. I'm not telling you, I'm not lying. It's superior. Just kidding. But yeah, so definitely this gets an A1. I'm about to get up into this sandwich review because that's what we're really here for. Let's see. All right. The sandwich is in here, guys. I'm telling you, my mouth is really watering. You gotta check it out too. So I'm saying some things. So look at this bun, y'all. They have the marinara sauce in here. From the this right here is the mozzarella. This is the it's like the chicken and the cheese. It's like, what's that? Mozzarella. Here's a chicken, but then like there's a cheese inside. And then there's like literally nothing at the bottom bun. But we're gonna go ahead and get this together. Yeah. This is it. The spice kicked right away. Marinara sauce was second. I feel like the cheese and the bread all went into everything as one. And that's why it's hard to like chew it down. That's the inside of it. It looks the same. This is a weird looking bun. Look at it. It has like all these things in it. Not bad. I'm trying to see what I'm gonna rate it. I love the mozzarella. The chicken. It's very spicy. And the bun is so thick. So I think I like it. So yeah, guys, it is Vlogmas, guys. Really, it's so thick. You can't like talk and try to like chew the sandwich because you'll be like choking. So I'm like, it's thick, but it's hot, it's spicy, but it's good. I think out of the 2 things that I tried, I really enjoyed the frosting. It was really good, really good. And I love spicy stuff and I like this, but I feel like maybe the brick of the mozzarella was overpowering in the sandwich, so you couldn't like really pay attention on like you can't pay attention just on like one thing. Like you have so many explosive things in your mouth at the same time, and it's just like, what are you supposed to focus on? That's what it was giving me. So it wasn't horrible overall, but it was just too much. Too much. But guys, thank you so much for taking time out and watching this little, little food review. It is Vlogmas. I'm trying to come with you guys with a lot of different things, just some things. So like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to. Check out my sister's channel. Later.